Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel, Old Bike New Man. I am your host G, and I just want to start off by apologizing for not getting any content out for some time now. For you all that make videos weekly and some of you guys daily, I salute you. And in some cases I even envy you. But between work and family and resting, because rest is important to G, I just hadn't had a chance to get out here. Now, we have had some weather days here where had a little ice for a couple days, had a little rain in between, and and sometimes that fell on the days where I had time to put a product out. But we're gonna do better. We're gonna get better at this thing, and actually, some of these products here are gonna help me make better videos and make the video process a little smoother. So, once again, I just want to apologize for not getting content out because we want the channel to grow. And even if it doesn't, I still want to make good products and make them consistently so that the few of you that do watch it, you have something to see. But anyway, we're going to roll the intro, and when we come back, we will get into all these items. As you can see, I've done some shopping. Some will help me ride a little more comfortable, and some will help me make better videos. But either way it go, we'll check it out as soon as we roll the intro. Peace. All right, what we're going to do is work our way from the big stuff, big items, down to the small items, and we'll kind of go through what they are. We're not going to do actual demonstrations, of course, today. For this first item here, we probably will have a installation video coming up in the next couple of weeks for that. But the other items, we'll just see them as the channel progresses. So for the first item, as you can see, this is actually a genuine Harley Davidson product. Got it probably maybe 2 weeks ago now. And let's check it out. And it actually goes with this product here, once again, from Harley. So we'll check those out, and you'll kind of get an idea. Once you see the first one, you'll know what they are, both are. So this is these are the parts that go with it. This is the actual screws and the lever to allow the backrest to go up and down. This is the actual mounting bracket itself. Pretty sturdy, solid product, of course. Mounts to the back fender, and we'll get an installation video up for that. So I'm not gonna take out the plastic just yet. And these are the instructions. Nothing else in there. FL adjustable rider backrest mounting hardware. So we should get that installed in the next couple of weeks on the channel. All right, so we have the actual backrest that goes with the adjustable mounting bracket, of course. And it's pretty straightforward what this is. Goes in the slot and the seat. So, and I just recently got the tall boy seat from Harley. So if you haven't checked out that video, please go back and do so. We'll get this back in the box here. All right, our next item that we have is something that I've had even a little longer. I just been checking it out, trying to see if I was going to get it installed or try to do it myself, but I do not like any wiring of products because it's not my specialty. So as you can see, this is the mini driving light kit from Show Chrome Accessories. I believe this is now maybe Kuryakin. I'm not sure. I don't want to quote the wrong company name, but anyway, I got a good deal on this. I initially was looking at Custom Dynamics, but as you know, they have very good products, and they're well known in the motorcycle community as far as having top of the line products, but they do not cut in the corners on prices. So it was a little bit out of my price range, so I said I'll give these a try, and you never know, I might still upgrade to a Custom Dynamics driving light at some point down the line, but right now we're gonna work with what we have here. So these are check it out. Okay, this is the actual chrome housing that the lights will go in. and the actual light. So this is the bulb, the LED bulb, of course. Pretty straightforward plug and play there. And check out this chrome housing. And that's the chrome housing, still in the plastic, of course. I'm not going to take it out because we're not doing installation today. And you can see the little wiring coming out there. And once again, once I saw that, I was thinking, maybe out of my league. But it's probably pretty straightforward, but I'm going to let my mechanic make a few bucks off this one. So we'll put that back in. Looking forward to getting those in. You know, a lot of people talk about being seen at night. Well, while that's important to me as well, I also want to be able to see at night. So the more lights I have that are not necessarily up blinding someone. I know a lot of motorcyclists ride their high beams on, but at nighttime, if they're pretty bright, you know, you'll cause a flash you and things of that nature. So I'm not trying to make anyone else's ride worse by making mine better. I want to have everyone safe if at all possible. So that's that. And these are the actual highway bar brackets. Good sturdy quality. So hopefully, as long as the lights are bright, this will, pretty sure this will be successful for me. But we'll get that installed hopefully in a few weeks. You know, it's all about how the schedules work for myself and for my mechanic as well. So, but it's pretty straightforward. I just don't do any wiring. It came with some instructions, but it's not my thing. This is additional wiring, which further intimidated me. I know people say, hey, you got to try to find out, but I don't want to find out that I was wrong on the side of the road. All right, so we'll get this set to the side here. So I'm looking forward to this highway lights. All right, the next item we have here, let's see which we're gonna do here. We'll do these two next. We have two items that are both from GoPro. This one is called a swivel mount, and this is called the Jaws with the flex clamp, and we'll check those out in just a second here. All right, so my biggest thing for this is I like the option of having something on the handlebars. Now this is a flexible arm, bending arm. It goes in different angles, so should be able to twist that and get some good shots. So right now I utilize, and I'll show you guys this. Oh, let me finish showing this product first. And this is the GoPro clamp that goes on the bar. It's pretty hard to open, so I know it's gonna stay on there real good. So that'll be on the bar. It has a place here on top. Actually, I'll take this out so we can see it instead of going through the plastic. You actually put your camera slide in here, and I'll show you what I have going. This little piece I have is actually broken, so it just, the camera slides in here. If you're using this by itself, and you could mount it on the bars if you're just using the camera alone, or as it's intended with the extendable clamp here. You put this in the GoPro slot here. Easier said than done, I guess. There you go, clicks in, and then you'd have your camera up here. And like I said, this part is broken on mine. I just showing you guys, and I could have that on there and record if I chose to with this, or just with this clamp by itself. So I like that flexibility. Now currently what I'm using is a little portable, this is my helmet, and this little attachment here is from, I guess the company is called Telesen, I'm not sure, but what it does, it goes over the front of your helmet, straps down, and you have it on the bottom, and you hook your camera to it. I got this because I wasn't 100% certain that I was going to be doing motor vlogging consistently, or that I wanted to really invest in it 100%. So I was like, if this doesn't work out, I can just take this crap off and move forward the rest of my riding career. So that's what I have now, but I do not enjoy having a camera on my helmet because I'm always thinking about, am I holding the camera properly? I'm like, do I have my head up straight, or am I getting a good shot? This flexible mount will give me the option to see better shots, get better shots, let's just say. Several I've missed because I was looking at it and I was thinking, wow, this is going to look good on camera, but I ended up just having my handlebar on my hand. Yeah, so this will be a great addition to the old bike, and like I say, hopefully allow me to get the camera off of my helmet, which I hate. having that on there. I know that's the shot that most people get, but I'm gonna set a new trend of not having that. And these are all GoPro attachments because I know they're top quality, but my camera is definitely not GoPro, so we may have to do an adjustment, not adjustment, but a upgrade on that as well at some point down the line. But you know, as they say, everything costs. So I'm looking forward to using this. Now this product here, as you can see, is called the swivel mount. This one is pretty straightforward if I can get out of the box, of course. I opened it yesterday. This is just a separate attachment. If you want to use the camera, the jaws without the extender, this thing here turns left, right, forward, and back. So you have different options. You see it's back now. It's back straight. I can lean it to the side, so I can have that on the top of the handlebar, and I can get some action shots that way too. So I'll have to play around with it to see which one works the best, or which angles work good for my particular riding style. And it's just an additional screw for the GoPro clips. All right, and we'll get to our last two items here. Get this crap out of the way. So these two are actually items that I've been thinking about getting for some time. Actually, this here, I'll tell you a story about that. This is the Tascam DR05X. Actually, one of the YouTubers that I follow, Memphis Mike, he did a video of where he shows that he puts his microphone up through his jacket and into his helmet and has a Tascam like in a pocket or something, and that he gets the best audio recording, doesn't get drowned out by wind noise or the noise of the bike. My old motorcycle, my old bike is very loud, the pipes are, so anytime I try to do recording, even with good microphones, it always gets drowned out. So I'm hoping this Tascam will eliminate that and allow me to get a live recording of what I'm thinking when I see something. So this is the Tascam. We won't check that out. It looks just like it does on here. There's a plug at the top where you put your microphone, and we'll play with the settings and try to get it to where I can talk while I'm riding on the old bike, and get some different perspectives of the channel. Try to trying to grow. And this is the Purple Panda microphone, which is actually what I'm recording with now. I have like 2 or 3 of these, so I just bought a new one that's going to be dedicated to the Tascam recorder. If of course, assuming that it works out for me, and it comes in a little, I guess that's suede. Oh wow, it's kind of windy out here. Check this out, just 1 second. This is additional cord, so you won't need that much, of course. They have a little dead cat that you can put on the microphone, so it's pretty cool. A lot of different attachments. So we'll get that set up with the Tascam and see if we can get some live footage for you guys. So like I said, I have a lot of things, not a lot, but a good amount of things that are going to help me with riding more comfortably, but also with being more comfortable on the motorcycle. So looking forward to getting all this stuff set up. All right, we got all of our items back packaged up. I do apologize. It got a little windy out here today. So, hey, you know what happens when you're making videos and you're not sure what you're doing. You're always going to pick the wrong day. All this will be done probably the next few weeks, assuming my money stays well. All right, so let's wrap the video up. We'll be right back. All right, everyone, welcome back. So we're pretty much wrapping up this video. I appreciate you all for checking it out. We got some good products that I think will help me have a more comfortable ride, but will also assist me in making videos and getting them out quicker and getting a better quality video out. I don't mind the voiceovers because sometimes it helps me from saying things I don't want to say live on the videos, but just getting an opportunity to record myself as I'm riding so I can get the live reaction, get an opportunity to take that during camera off my helmet, which I do not like. This new option we have with the GoPro stretch kit, the jaws with the extendable bar on there, that should allow me to get some shots of, if I'm passing over a bridge or a lake or whatever, anything with nice scenery, I can pick that up versus having to hold my head straight to make sure I'm getting a good shot, which, once again, that might be a G thing, but I just don't like doing that. So once again, thank you all for checking out the channel, and don't forget to keep your burdens light and your yoke easy. Peace.